Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft here with another video, guys. And today we're gonna be installing some stock tires on the rear on my Silverado. If you guys haven't watched the video yet, go watch it. I'll link it down in the description. But I got hit, guys. My truck got hit. It's not too bad. It is bad, but it's not. I'll show you guys the damage. Pretty much. I was on the turning lane and some kid tried to get into my lane, didn't see me, and sideswiped me. So he sideswiped me pretty much from the fender all the way back. All that, guys. So the whole passenger side is pretty much fucked. He broke my bed. As you can tell, he dented my wheel, bent it, dented my cab, my door, all that. Scratched the front rim too. So yeah, I'm going through insurance since it was his fault. Insurance is gonna cash me out, get all this fixed, so I guess I'm not too worried about that, but it does suck, guys. Especially since the truck was pretty much almost done. But you know what they say, guys, minor setback for a major comeback. So stay ready for the rebuild video on this, because it's gonna come back even harder, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the rear wheels. Bulls is gonna have a parking show this Saturday at the Scottsdale Pavilions, like we've been doing every Friday, but we're gonna try doing it on a Saturday this time. There's a car club or car show that happens every Saturday there, pretty much on the other side of where we park. So we're gonna try to get some of that crowd to come to our side, you know, make everything there in the Scottsdale Pavilions poppin'. So I'm gonna be switching out to these stocks. These are some 17-inch reverse steely lip. So as you can tell, they have that lip on there. Shout out to my boy Isaac for letting me borrow these. I don't know if they're gonna fit though, so cross your fingers that they fit. They should fit because I have the wider bed and I'm already running 2-inch spacers, so I'm gonna be taking off the spacers and hopefully these will fit. They should, but if they don't, then I'll just put on some regular steely stocks that I have. But hopefully they fit, and I'll just be driving the truck like that to the park and chill on Saturday. So catch me out there, guys. Make sure you guys pull up if you guys are here in Arizona. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm also gonna be switching out the lug nuts. I bought a new set of chrome lug nuts. I'm no longer gonna be running the spiked ones because as you can tell, were white and they're already kind of peeling off, and I don't have the complete set anymore, so might as well just get them all matching. So I got some new chrome ones. We're gonna be putting those on the rear on both sides, and yeah, let's get this video started. Alright guys, so we pulled up to the tire shop. Shout out to Hernandez Tires. That's where I bought the first set of tires that didn't fit. And they said that, yeah, there's no problem, they can change them out for me. I had already kind of explained to them what I wanted to do. I told them I kind of wanted a right size tire because I didn't want low pros on the stocks, and they understood, and they tried to give me what pretty much what I asked for. But I guess the tires were too big, so I came back and they're like, hey, you know, my bad, the tires are too big, you think I can get something a little bit smaller? So like, yeah, let's see what we got back here. So they gave me between two options. I think I ended up going with like a 265/60, so that should fit. Yeah, we're just currently waiting. Got the single cab they're working on right now. Oh yes, think about the front end. This shit looks clean. Just need the bow tie and the corner lights, and that'll be all done. We back, guys, with the new tire. Hopefully this one fits. So yeah, let's check it out. It fit. If I went a little bit smaller tire, I'm pretty sure I can get it to fit even better. But for now, we're just gonna run these. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other side out, and yeah, we're gonna run them. So we said this one was a 2465. So I'm pretty sure if I did like a 2455, the tire would be a-okay. But for now, these are golden. Hell yeah. Not too shabby. Alright guys, so this is how the truck looks like, completely aired out. It does flex the bed outwards a bit. It's not gonna be too bad since I'm not gonna be riding the truck like this, and I also won't be driving it as a daily or taking it out much anyways. But like I said, if I probably got like a smaller tire, I think these will fit pretty much flush. So what I'm thinking is keep these on for a couple weeks. Maybe throw these tires on some other stocks I have that need tires, and then get new tires for these, just so I can actually drive them and air it out at the same time ride it. I noticed it was just hitting the little lip right here, but
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.